Hello everyone. Today I will show you one of our completed 9 years 2 BHK flat renovation project which is located in Srinilaya apartment Bagalur Cross, Yelahanka Bangalore. Let's go. To your channel Coucal Interiors Bangalore. Regarding the scope of this project, common and master bedroom bathroom renovation and interior elements such as puja and TV unit, modular kitchen, both bedrooms, wardrobe and full house painting. We'll go one by one. Let's take a look at how it was before. In the living room, sleek modern TV unit with decorative rafters. The unit includes a back panel accented by strip lighting on both sides, suspended drawers and decorative rafters that complete its contemporary design. Coming to the puja unit, we have incorporated storage cabinet for puja items, easy maintenance granite base for performing puja and polished doors. If you want to turn your old home into a modern home, you are in the right spot. Yes, Coucal Interiors and Renovation Company is your one-stop solution for all your needs. What are you waiting for? Give us a call today. Thank you.